check this out. Look at my man. Hook me up, man. That's what's up. That's love right there, baby.
That's what's up. Make sure you also check out RoboCrab. RoboCrab going out. Check him out. Also, if you don't catch any crabs today, we catching vibes today. That's what's up. We're making it happen, baby. Make it happen, make it happen, make it happen.
Let's go, Scrabble.
That was a very generous pour.
Hey, man.
Look at these guys with these damn sweaters, bro. What are these guys? What are these guys? What are these guys with these damn sweaters, man?
Hey guys, welcome back, my fellow anglers. So, we're here at the West Coast Crabbers Catch and Cook Contest, if you can see here. But I want you to guys hear some info, really good info from a homegirl Lauren out here from Crab Hard.
Hello.
Say what's up.
So I want to show you guys what we are facing. So on the East Coast, these little guys are devastating the East Coast. They're called European green crab, and they've moved to California. They've been here since the late 90s, but because the waters have warmed up, they have doubled in size. The way to identify them is 5 spines on either side of the eyes. They are voracious eaters, and they're killing our dungeons, our rock crab, our eelgrass. There's no size limit or bag limit on them. The best way to get rid of them is eat them, but they are killing everything. They go through a soft shell molting stage. We haven't figured out when that's happening yet, but we're waiting for that. They can spread 80,000 eggs, and their eggs are small like plankton, so they can be carried all over the ocean, and we want to get rid of them, so eat them.
Eat them. Hear that, guys? If you want the Dungeness population to continue to grow, we need to kill these suckers right here. Very invasive, very invasive. It's been proven. Man, that's crazy. I didn't know about that. I didn't know about that until, when she posted that on the group chat. But you know what? Thank you for spreading the information.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Lauren.
Crab hard.
Woo, crab hard, baby. Wow.
Free bait.
Free bait. You know why? Because this guy knows how to use a casting net. Casting net? He's going to show me one time, so I'm going to put a video out about that.
You know Robert's the fucking professional.
I seen Robert at Torpedo Wharf, from Torpedo Snares to Torpedo Wharf. Damn, Robert's good at that. But yeah, I still got to get mines. I have a net. I haven't used it yet, but I need to learn on it.
Bro, it's easy.
All right, check it out. Thanks again, bro. Right on. What's up, Lauren? What do we got here?
This is European green crab, and we have fried it up kept the claw for you to hold on to, and a little spicy aioli.
That's what's up. That's what's up. If they're invasive, eat them, kill them.
Eat them.
But you can make them into little things like this. It's so good, man. Let's do it.
Contest. So I'm going to start off with the first place winner, $200. DJ, bring it $100. Awesome. Okay, our third place winner, DJ Sunny.
Right there.
Winner for $300 goes to Valerie. First prize winner.
Know who it is?
The King of the Hill. $500 goes to Tony Jones.
everybody, you know, I'm not even gonna make a speech. Let me tell you, I had one hell of a time today, man. I had a great time. I kicked it with some great people. That's what it's all about, you know. So if you start to do something, crabbing, ain't nothing like us, man. It's the West Coast.
Hell yeah. We all out here, guys. This is our town. This is what we do. So, right on, guys. We love you. West Coast Crabbers, all the way. So, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to win some nice prizes? Yeah. Let's do this, guys. One more time. We're going to go back this side where the sign is, and we're going to draw some raffles.
It gets real. Hey, tell him.
Hey, man. This man is a master crab snare master. You know what I mean? You gotta see him live and direct, man.
Right on. Go see him. Make sure y'all go see him. It gets real.
098.
That person was early as hell.
Yes, sir.
I'm hungry. Yeah.